Hi, everybody. Here I am in New England in the fall. The colors are just starting to change. And maybe you're feeling some change and transformation happening for you too. I was all over Europe this summer, and I was noticing that so many people were very excited about doing some workshops and some experiences that help to open the voice, to help step into this God-given amazing gift that we all have. We all have unique voices to share through song, through sound, through speech. And I have a workshop coming up just northeast of Boston in Newburyport. And that's on Sunday, October 8th. And it's called Inspiration Thru Expression. And in it, we're going to be doing singing, chanting, sharing, wonderful vocal expression exercises that are super fun. And we're going to do it in the community of people who also want to just play and explore. There's no singing experience necessary, just a willingness to get into your heart and experiment and have fun. Do you like to have fun? I sure do. So please come and join me. All the details are below. We'll see you at Roots to Wings Yoga the night before for Kirtan, and that day, the 8th, for Inspiration Thru Expression, a vocal freedom workshop. See you soon.